Oh, excuse me.
Do not try this at home.
Oh. I think I have more time spinning around quickly than catching.
Oh! Did you grab the fire?
Yeah, it kind of hurt. Oh.
Dry up my knees and love it. It did bring me on the other day, though.
Oh, come on.
Yo, try to shoot it with a basketball net.
That's how you
Set the net on fire. There you go.
Dunk it.
The fiery net.
You're close, man. Try it again.
Yeah, you gotta get up.
You gotta angle it. Oh. Airball.
He doesn't know which pile on first. He got in the burning wall.
So cool. Okay. Somebody else wants to give us a try. Come on, Tom.
I'll try to throw it in the basketball.
Okay, hold on. It really isn't that hot of a flame.
Yeah. Oh, Jesus. 3, 2, 1. And we lose.
Oh, it's out.
Use the other end to relight your camera. Well, I don't know how, like...
Hey, wait, let me get that.
Not good.
That's not smart.
Yo. I want to get SpongeBob really quick.
Don't you want SpongeBob to burn?
Well, the less we
kinda
burn him
need a
now, the
shard
more we can
remains for, you know, posterity.
Right in the eye. That's his
Hey.
vulnerable point.